One of our hot buys is on our two-piece combo kit today. One unique thing on that two-piece combo kit is we have our socket-ready impact driver. So you can put sockets on the outside of it and quarter-inch insert on the inside. So you get a two-in-one tool for that kit. Another great value we have is on our Bosch rotary laser kit here. Comes with a complete kit. Comes with the detector, the laser, the tripod, the rod, case, remote. Because this is a horizontal vertical, you can work both planes with it. People looking for detection. Nice thing about this is you can use it to find PEPs or PVC at floors, and you can find close tension cable in walls. So very nice detector units we have also. Full lineup of inside lasers and dots and points and lines on that. Another nice category, well represented within Ferry equipment. And then we'd always have our rotary hammers, both in corded and cordless. Now we'd always have a nice full lineup of stuff for any type of concrete drilling or braking applications that we would have. So across the board, Bosch's got an excellent lineup, and Ferrell does a good job of stocking.